Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install .NET Core on Ubuntu 18.04. So let's open terminal and copy the first command. First must have the key. And waiting to have the key. And let's take the second command. And after that we must add this on the apt source list. So let's copy this, and now we must update. Let's clear before and take this to install the .NET SDK and yes to continue. And now it's start to install SDK.NET. Okay, let's take the next command now. Let's copy this and yes to continue. Okay, let's continue. Let's run the console, .NET new console. And now let's copy this command to test .NET Core. So hello world, so mean that .NET Core is already installed. So this is how to install .NET Core on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.